What is class in socialist theory? Imagine a society where not everyone has the same role or power. That's what class is all about in socialist ideas. It's not just about how much money someone makes or how fancy their lifestyle is. Instead, class depends on where you stand in the system that makes and distributes goods and services. This system is called the relations of production. In simple terms, class is about your relationship to the tools and resources needed to produce things. These include factories, land, machines, and tools. In a capitalist society, the main classes are the bourgeoisie and the proletariat. The bourgeoisie are the owners of the means of production. They control factories, land, and machinery. Their goal is to make more profits. The proletariat are workers who do the actual work but do not own the means of production. They sell their labor to earn wages so they can survive. Because the owners want to increase profits and workers want better wages and conditions, their interests often clash. This ongoing conflict is called class struggle. It's a core idea in socialist thought because it explains why social change happens. The struggle between these classes drives history forward, pushing society toward new arrangements. Class is more than just money. It influences people's ideas, culture, and politics. Those who own the means of production also tend to shape what society considers normal or acceptable. This is called ideological hegemony. For example, in many societies, the belief that working hard alone guarantees success is a common idea, even though many barriers make that difficult for workers. A key concept in socialism is class consciousness. This means workers recognize they share common interests and see themselves as part of a collective group. When workers develop this awareness, they can unite and challenge the power of the owners. This unity is essential for pushing for social change, like better wages, working conditions, or even changing the ownership structure. Socialist movements have historically worked to build this class consciousness. They organize workers through unions and political parties to fight for their rights. The goal is to create a society where the means of production are owned collectively, not by a few individuals. Class is not fixed. It changes as society evolves. New industries can create new kinds of workers, and technological advances can shift who holds power. But the core conflict between those who own and those who work remains central to understanding social change in socialist theory. So, in the end, class in socialist thinking is all about your relationship to the tools and resources used to produce goods. It shapes your economic life, your ideas, and your role in society. The ongoing struggle between workers and owners is what drives history and offers the possibility of a more equal future.